Hello everyone! Now I will show you how to fix the shading in a cylindrical shape with a cutout. Select the outer edges and while holding Ctrl, pull the manipulator. Select this piece, press Ctrl X, press the letter N and then press Ctrl V. Select the nearest edges and stretch them along the entire length of the cylinder. Go to the Vertex Maps tab. Next, enter Other Maps. Click on New Map. In the drop-down menu under Vertex Map Type, select Vertex Normal Map. We will name it Transfer. Now let's go to our problematic mesh and hide all unnecessary objects by clicking this button. Next, we select the area that contains only the problematic section. We press Ctrl X and Ctrl V to separate it from the other details. Next, we deselect and repeat the procedure by adding the vertex normal. We select our cut piece and go to the Vertex Map tab in the top menu. In the drop-down list, we choose Transfer. In the drop-down menu under Source Vertex Map, we select our transfer, then we click OK. We will hide all unnecessary objects and see how our shading has become perfect. Now, to bake all of this correctly, we select all the vertices and stitch this together. We will duplicate our mesh to compare the shading. Let's enable the visibility of all objects and hide the unnecessary ones. Now this mesh will bake without artifacts. Finally, I wish you good luck and see you next time. Goodbye.